Okay, good day everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to look at the power of lens flare. It's something that I've been using all my design. Lens flare here, lens flare here, shining on this beautiful lady. Lens flare here, lens flare here, lens flare here, lens flare here, lens flare here. Lens flare here. In fact, this one was just cute with lens flare. Then we have lens flare here, we have lens flare here, we have lens flare here, we have lens flare everywhere here. We have lens flare here. So okay, I want to show you the power of lens flare. It's one thing that once you get as a designer, you will never want to let it go. So in this video, I just want to show you how to make that. The first thing we're going to do is to come to Photoshop. Here we are with this lady here again. Thanks to Alex for helping us with this image on Splash. So we're just going to go to lens flare. There's a folder. Where are you? Okay, I've already created it here. Here, this is lens flare. This is the magic guy. Okay, we're going to drag it. Okay, to drag to my Photoshop. Some of you have asked me, how do I drag to Photoshop? Hold the image with your right click. Okay, right click. Is it left click? Yes, left click. Then you hold the alt key, then you touch the tab key. Okay, once you touch the tab key once, it's going to show you all your windows that are open. Then you tap the tab key again. While your hand is still on the alt key, just keep tapping the tab key. It's just going to be switching between the programs. So once you get to Photoshop, let go now of the alt key, and Photoshop is going to open while still holding your image as you are dragging with your left click of your mouse, still holding down. So you let go now, and that item has been imported. Okay, so let's click OK. Let's increase the size of this, and let's click OK. So we're going to come here and change the blend mode. Okay, we're going to change the blend mode to screen. This way you change it, then come to blend mode to screen. Okay, that's overlay. Change it to screen. Okay, now it's almost there. Okay, so you can place it on somewhere like this, and to duplicate all the alt key, then drag the layer. Okay, just going to make a copy of it and let go, and you can position it wherever you want to put it. Okay, so let's group these two layers. Ctrl G, select the two layer and group it. So let's just check both and see. Now you can see that the image has been transformed. Okay, this is the magic. So most times when you're done with your design, you can just add lens flare to some parts. Okay, there's this design I've made before. I just want to show you how lens flare can also work on here. Okay, this design has been settled and posted, but I just want to show you how lens flare can just transform some design. Okay, I never thought of lens flare in this design, so that's why I didn't add it. So let's change the blend mode to screen. So let's increase the size, hold the alt and drag. Okay, that's how I increase. Okay, you hold any of this transform handle while holding the alt is going to scale from the middle. Okay, if you don't, let me show you that. If you don't hold the alt key, it's going to scale from the side, the anchor point of this side here. It's going to scale, but if you hold the alt key, it's going to scale from the middle while dragging. Okay, so let's drag from the middle, and let's just place it somewhere here, as if light is coming from this end. Okay, please don't mind the noise in my background. I've tried all I can to actually wait for everywhere to be calm, but I cannot just wait anymore. So let's just go with it. Okay, we have it on this side now. Let's click OK. Now you can see that there's as if there's a source of light shining on this lady. So let's duplicate it by holding the alt and dragging, and we can see put some here. Okay, not all designs that lens flare is going to work, so the idea here is to actually keep it as minimal and subtle as much as you can. Okay, like this one here, I don't think it's working. Okay, you have to just know when lens flare should work or will not work. I think it should working. Let me increase it so big. Sometimes I can increase it so big as if it's almost entering the whole design, then I just drag it all the way off and it's just leaking into the design. Very subtle. Okay, can hide it all the way this way, then just click OK. Okay, so it's just leaking into the design. You can see that it's just this edge and it's almost affecting the whole design from this angle. Even this one, you can also change it. Escape from middle, just drag and just place it. So subtle, just let it be there. Okay, now let's group these two image, these two lens flare. Ctrl G, select both and Ctrl G, and now let's just hide. Okay, you can see It's subtle, but just by hiding it now you can see that something was actually there. Okay, so that's how you can use lens flare to actually spice up your design. It's very easy to make. Drag and drop. So for this lens flare, I'm going to add the Google Drive link in the description. You can go download it and use it. I think I got it from somewhere like PNG3 some time ago. It's very easy to use, but I'm just going to give you the link there so you can download. So thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is the 11th day of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.